Hey, good evening, everyone. I want to do a quick video lesson here on a nice, massive, easy, predictable trade that we caught at TrickTrades.com chat. It's Pat Mitchell here. As I posted yesterday on YouTube, I kind of let you guys know how to prepare for market sell-offs. Sure enough, we had a nice big sell-off again here this morning, and it really paid off. As soon as we started noticing that, we took a look at Nvidia. Now, Nvidia is an overextended tech stock. Regardless whether you think it's valued appropriately or not, it is overextended. This year alone, so let's go from November. Since the gap up in November from the election, let's go to there, right to the top. We have a 200% gain, or basically $145 per share gain. So that's overextended, whether it's valued appropriately or not. So this morning, it's funny because I really wanted to be watching Nvidia. Nvidia was going to open up at $200 a share, just above them, just slightly above it. And $200 is a really big resistance area. Even though it was over that, it still had a high tendency to break down from there. $200 a share is a really big level of psychological resistance. So I should have really been watching this. I could have easily taken this the whole way down for about 15 points a share, but that's okay. We don't expect to catch the entire move of a stock. We just want to capitalize where it's the easiest to get in, and when the market actually gives us a signal. So I got in right in this area. My as soon as it bounced down, I actually noticed where it tested the previous and then came back down and then sold off. I didn't have a chance. I kind of missed it, and I was kind of humming and hawing whether this was already extended to the downside and potentially reverse and pop up. I analyzed the volume. It was looking like it wasn't enough yet to pull a reversal. I was correct. So I got in here at this little mini consolidation, which is something that I look for a lot, and it dumped. It dumped basically 10 points from my entry. I ended up catching just under 10 points. Now, you may be looking at the price per share of Nvidia at $200. Well, I can't afford that. Here's the thing, even in a small account, guys, even if you took $10, you're still making $100, right? Or 10 shares. If you took 10 shares, you'd still be making roughly $100. Now, you don't need a lot of shares in order to catch Nvidia. However, I hit it with a little bit more than 10 shares and made some really, really nice money this morning. So I wanted to show you, these are the types of moves that we catch at TrickTrades.com chat. We do not scalp for pennies. We play for points. And this is how you build a small account safely. You limit yourself, you limit the risk that you are in without having to take 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 shares, 50,000 shares of some of these really low price stocks that if they move even a penny against you, you're going to be underwater quite a bit. And usually when those small caps start running or failing, depending on which way you're on, they move a lot more than a penny, don't they? So this is a way to really limit your risk. And very exciting day. Very exciting day. Called out live in chat. Said I was getting short as soon as I got short at the exact same second. So it was an actionable trade alert and trade idea. And a lot of us capitalized on this opportunity that the market gave us today. So I'll leave it at that, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up in the comment box below, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to be seeing you guys really soon. I'd love to be working with you guys nice and closely to bring your trading career to the next level. All right, guys, have a great evening.